everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is I have a charge cable cover. I'm going to show you guys what this is here and how this is going to work. It's like a simple thing. It's like made out of super strong rubber, and you can see, like, so I have the cable here going back and forth between these two cars here, and I want to avoid, you know, people going and tripping on it and whatever like that. And look, I can just go like that, and now we have a smooth overage here. So ideally, what my goal is to have, I have two of these. So I have one here and one over there. So this car, when it drives over, it's not just driving over the cable, it's driving over the rubber thing. So that's what's going to protect my cable from getting run over, from getting squished. So that's what this is for. And it's really super strong rubber. It's going to hold the car up and do that. It's by LZSTEC. You can see it right on there. And it's just super easy to put on there. And I'm going to go get the other one and put it out here as well. So super awesome. Thumbs up.